If you care about your health and are looking for ways to improve your diet, pay close attention to what I'm about to say. There is a food that, if consumed in the wrong way, can be harmful to your body, but which, when used correctly, offers surprising benefits. Its name is simple, but its secrets go much further than you might think. I'm talking about chia. Yes, that small and apparently harmless seed holds mysteries that few people know about. In addition to being rich in fiber, omega-3 and antioxidants, chia can be a powerful ally in your diet. However, if eaten without due care, it can cause serious digestive problems, such as abdominal discomfort and even intestinal obstruction in extreme cases. Now, think about it. How many times have you opted for quick, ready-made meals throughout the week? With an increasingly fast-paced routine, it's natural to fall prey to the temptation of industrialized foods full of preservatives, harmful ingredients, trans fats, and a plethora of empty calories that offer no benefits to your body. And even with the best of intentions, many of these choices negatively affect your health in the long term. Chia has emerged as an alternative for those looking for practicality without sacrificing nutritional quality. However, for it to be an ally and not a risk, it is essential to understand how to consume it correctly. There are safe and effective ways to incorporate it into your daily life, and in this video we're going to explore each of them, unraveling all the myths and truths about this super seed. Stay with me, because you're about to discover how chia can transform your diet and your health in a safe and effective way. Chia, the food we mentioned earlier, can become a real asset for those who want to adopt a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. When consumed correctly, it offers surprising benefits for body and mind, turning the simple act of eating into a powerful health strategy. Let's start with this seed's potential for maintaining a healthy heart. Because it is rich in omega-3, chia helps to balance cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and protect the cardiovascular system, reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition, its soluble fibers help control blood pressure and manage blood glucose levels, making it an important ally for those seeking to prevent or control diabetes. If your goal is to maintain a balanced weight, chia can also be a great ally. Its fibers promote a feeling of prolonged satiety, helping to reduce appetite throughout the day and prevent the dreaded overeating. When it expands in contact with liquids, it forms a gel that slows down digestion and keeps you satisfied for longer. But the benefits don't stop there. This seed is an excellent source of natural energy, ideal for those who need to keep their spirits up during an intense routine. Its combination of proteins, healthy fats, and slow-absorbing carbohydrates provides a continuous release of energy without the sudden peaks and dips associated with sugar-rich and processed foods. In addition, chia contributes to bone health thanks to its calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus content, essential nutrients for maintaining bone density, especially at stages of life when this concern becomes more evident. Imagine all this available in a single seed: practicality, health, and accumulated benefits in a versatile food that can be incorporated into your breakfast, salads, juices, or even desserts. However, like any powerful tool, the secret lies in using it correctly. And that's exactly what you're going to discover here: how to take advantage of all the benefits of chia while maintaining balance and safety in consumption. Chia has a fascinating history dating back thousands of years. Originally from Central America, it was a staple food of the Mayan and Aztec civilizations, where it was already recognized for its energetic and medicinal properties. The term chia derives from a Mayan word meaning strength, reflecting the appreciation of these seeds as a source of resistance and vitality. Although it fell out of favor with European colonization, chia has made a comeback in recent decades due to its impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. Vitamins and minerals present in chia. Omega-3, essential for brain and cardiovascular health. Fiber, fundamental for good intestinal function. Protein, contributes to muscle maintenance and recovery. Calcium, important for healthy bones and teeth. Magnesium, helps with muscle function and stress control. Phosphorus, supports the formation of bones and teeth. Antioxidants, fight free radicals, slowing down cellular aging. Main benefits of chia for the body: improves cardiovascular health. The high omega-3 content helps reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Regulates blood glucose levels. The fibers slow down the absorption of sugar, helping to control diabetes. Increases satiety. Soluble fibers expand in the stomach, helping to reduce hunger. Contributes to digestive health. Chia helps regulate intestinal transit. Strengthens bones and teeth. Rich in calcium and phosphorus, it helps prevent osteoporosis. Helps muscle recovery. The proteins in chia are ideal for muscle regeneration after physical activity. Fights inflammation. Its antioxidants and fatty acids reduce inflammatory processes in the body. Boosts energy and vitality. The combination of nutrients offers a constant release of energy. Chia is a real gift from nature. Its rich composition makes it a functional food that can revolutionize the way you take care of your health on a daily basis. If this content is already adding value for you, take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. Also leave a comment sharing your experiences or doubts about chia or other foods you'd like to see here. When you finish this video, don't forget to explore our playlist dedicated to magical foods that can transform your health. I'm sure you'll find surprising content that you can apply to your daily life and boost your well-being even more. Let's go on this journey to a healthier life together. Incorporating chia into your eating routine is simpler than you might think. This versatile seed can be consumed in a variety of ways and adapts well to different recipes, from breakfast to mid-meals and desserts. Here are some practical suggestions to start enjoying the benefits of this superfood. How to include chia in your daily life. Chia with water. Mix a tablespoon of chia with a glass of water and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes until it forms a gel. Consume before meals to help control appetite. Smoothies and juices. Add a teaspoon of chia to your juice or smoothie. It doesn't change the taste, but it does boost the nutritional value of the drink. Yogurts and desserts. Sprinkle over natural yogurts, puddings, or ice cream for a crunchy, healthy touch. Salads. Use the seeds directly on salads to add extra texture and nutrients. Breads and cakes. Add chia to the dough of homemade breads, cakes, or cookies to enrich your recipes. Expected results with regular chia consumption. Improve digestive health. With continued consumption, you will notice a more balanced digestive system due to chia's high fiber concentration. More energy and vitality. The continuous release of energy provided by the nutrients will help combat tiredness throughout the day. Weight under control. The prolonged feeling of satiety can help reduce calorie consumption, making it easier to control your weight. Stronger heart. The daily inclusion of omega-3 helps keep cholesterol levels in balance and protects cardiovascular health. Improved physical performance. If you practice physical activities, chia can help muscle recovery and maintain endurance. By consuming chia regularly and in a balanced way, you are investing directly in your health and quality of life. Small daily changes can lead to incredible transformations over time. We've reached the end of this video, and I want to thank you for sticking with me this far. I hope that the information I've shared can positively transform your routine and contribute to a healthier life. If you know someone who needs to know more about the incredible benefits of chia or who is looking for ways to take better care of their health, share this video on your social networks or send it directly to them. This simple gesture can make a big difference to the lives of those you care about. And don't stop there. Explore the channel for a series of videos and playlists dedicated to other powerful foods that can revolutionize your well-being. Each piece of content has been lovingly prepared to help you on your journey towards a more balanced and vital life. Thank you very much for joining us, and see you in the next video.